Good morning, student. Today we are discuss on the concept of optical character recognition. As the society is moving towards digitization, the optical character recognition plays a very much important role. Today we are discuss on the concept of introduction of OCR and different phases of optical character recognition. Optical character recognition, it is a process of translation of human readable character to machine readable character in optically scanned and digitized text. Basically, this OCR system is divided into two categories as online and offline. In offline mode, a paper and pen is given to the user and user will write some text, and that text will be scanned by the scanner. It will produce a image of that particular text. Whereas in online mode, a touch screen and a pen is given, and based on the pressure the text will be captured. The phases of optical character recognition as it is seen in this diagram. The first phase is scanning the text from the scanner and convert the image into grayscale. After converting the image, it is go to the pre-processing, which is a first step of OCR. Pre-processing is very much important, plays an important role, because during the scanning, if the page is not placed properly, it will be turned, that is called as skew. So it is necessary to remove the skew to make the binary image. The pre-processing play a very much important role. After pre-processing, to extract the features, but before that, what is the feature? Feature extraction is used to find a subset of feature that will be maximize the effectiveness of recognition. So there are basically three type of features. Statistical features. In statistical feature, the examples of statistical feature are, we can say as mean, mode, median, maximum, minimum. That are all aspect ratio statistical feature. Whereas structural features are, you can consider, if consider the example is capital A. So how many horizontal line is there, vertical line is there, how much loop are there. And third category is global transformation. As the features are extracted, these features are passed to classifier to recognize that character or word. So they basically there are different types of classifiers are available, which are again divided into two categories, as some are supervised and some are unsupervised. So first one is support vector machine, multilayer perceptron, k nearest neighbor, radial basic function. Thank you very much.